I know I've been MIA this month, but next month I'm picking things back up. I just kind of took a little break. Hey, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today, baby, we have ourselves some fried catfish sandwiches. You know, I've made this sandwich once a week for the past 2 weeks, so now it's been 3 weeks. So, and then I saw people making catfish sandwiches on Instagram, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna share my recipe with my fam. I know it's been a long time. I should have left you with a recipe to step two. I know I've been MIA this month, but next month I'm picking things back up. I just kind of took a little break. But I'm gonna stop talking and let's dig in. This sandwich actually fell apart as I was doing the thumbnail. So I'm gonna actually taste this piece of fish. So good. I also just wanted to show you guys there's an easy way where you can make and fry catfish. Simple ingredients, easy ingredients. I mean, this is so good. I did not need to salt it when it came out of the fryer. Because there was enough sodium in all those seasonings, you know what I mean? But ooh, can't see it. Focus on me. Can't see it. Carnival Eats. All right, let's see if I can work with this sandwich. Come on, baby. Come on, darling. Honey, look at that. Tartar sauce is just mayo, just a touch of lemon, and relish. Here we go. That is crazy good. Oh, man. That pretzel bun gives it something different, I'm telling you. If you haven't tried the pretzel bun Hawaiian rolls, they have the sliders. Sorry. They have the sliders as well. Oh my God, it's so good. That tomato is making my sandwich really wet. It's so good. Guys, I'm gonna take this lettuce off because it's really chewy for some reason. But look at that, it's so good. So how are you guys doing today? How are you doing? I'm doing just fine. Simple, easy. To me, I'm like, oh, catfish is a lot of work. It's just that extra work. No, you can make it so simplified, yet it's still very, very tasty. I mean, all the seasonings are in there between the Old Bay and the seasoned salt. And I know they're both all-purpose seasonings, but they do have a slight taste. They really do. So, when I kept seeing this sandwich on Instagram, I was like, I got to do this. There's some Seagram's ginger ale. I have no updates for you guys other than, you know, the cookbook is no longer on sale. It is gone. So the cookbook is no longer on sale. And before the year ends, my plan is to create another one. So I'm excited. I'm excited for that. I'm excited for just new happenings, you know what I mean? I did take a lot of time off this month for July. But I'm gonna get back to my 2 to 3 days a week. Back on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. You fry some of these up. Tell me what you guys think. Let's say you have a fish fry. You season everything up. Even coat it in the cornmeal. And then layer, I guess with plastic wrap or parchment paper. Let's say you have to cook a ton of fish. Do you think that would work out, or do you have to make it fresh? Let me know in the comments. Because I figured, like, if you add your egg, you add your seasonings, you add the cornmeal, you can layer pieces of fish, plastic pieces of fish, plastic pieces of fish, and so on. If you're like, feeding a ton of people, if you're gonna have some kind of fish fry for a barbecue, where all you have to do is just drop them and cook and keep it going. I just wonder if that would work. And in saying that, I have like 2 pieces left. So I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna put them in the fridge and probably cook them tomorrow and just see what happens. Let's see what happens. So I've done enough rambling. So if you made it to the end, thank you for staying. And if you are new to the channel, baby, welcome. Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for being a part of the fam. As always, I greatly appreciate all of you. Thank you for keeping this channel full of love and positivity and positivity. Because we're all here for one thing. We all love food. We love to eat. And I love to eat. I love you guys. God bless you. See you on the next video. Peace.